Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button because I bring you new DIYs, tutorials, and new inspiration every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I know so many of you have been anxiously awaiting the updated fall coffee bar, and I have that tour for you today, but I'm super excited to be bringing it to you in a very fun way. I have teamed up with 6 other incredibly creative and talented YouTubers, and each one of us has picked a different area or room in our homes to bring you all some updated fall decor ideas. Thank you so much to Yami from the Latina Next Door. She is the one hosting this, and she has put together a playlist, and I will link that down below. So if you're looking for more fall inspiration for your home's decor, make sure to check that list. You're gonna find some incredible ideas. Now let's go ahead and get started with the fall coffee bar tour. So the design of this coffee bar is sort of a blend of 2 different styles that I just could not choose between the 2 from. So last year I did more of the traditional dark oranges and reds and the fall leaves and the orange pumpkins, and I absolutely loved it. If you'd like to check that out, I have that tour and I'll link that down below so you can see what last year's coffee bar looked like. And as much as I did, I just wanted something different for this year, so I really threw around the idea of doing all white and gray, so like a gray buffalo check versus the black and white buffalo check, and doing something really neutral. However, I just really love the warmth of fall, so I kind of blended those 2 ideas and concepts together. So I kept this pretty neutral still. However, I threw in some of the coppers that I loved, my Ray Dunn, which is very neutral, lots of white and muted pumpkins. So I did more of a creamy orange pumpkin versus the bright orange pumpkins, and instead of fall leaves, you'll see these darker green eucalyptus leaves. And so I feel like it ended up coming out just beautifully. I really love the idea of the neutral wood tones, the metallics of the copper, and then the crispness of the ceramics in my Ray Dunn collection. I'm sure I'm going to get lots of questions asking where I found lots of these accessories, so you can grab them for your own home's decor. I did hand make the wood sign myself, but the Ray Dunn items, I have the best luck finding those at Marshall's. The big sign at the top is from Joann Fabrics. The copper mugs I thrifted for only $1 a piece. Most of the pumpkins are from either the Dollar Tree or Home Goods. The grass that you see in this basket is from Dollar Tree. The seltzer bottle is from Marshall's. The table runner is from Home Goods as well, and the tiered tray that is galvanized on the other end of the table is from Hobby Lobby. If you have any questions at all about the details of this coffee bar, you can leave those down in the comments below. If you enjoy farmhouse style home decor and DIYs, you can find more of that over in my social media pages, both on Facebook and on Instagram. I'll link those both down in the description box below. I hope that you all enjoyed this tour and that it inspired you. Please give this video a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to check the link that I'll have down below with the playlist to more fall home decor inspiration. You can click that subscribe button right here, and I have more tutorials for you in the link below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.